Welcome to Nepal, a land where nature asserts its most extreme power, especially during the monsoon. Nepal, a land of mountains, rivers, and fragile beauty. But every year, monsoon rains unleash devastating
it. During monsoon alerts, rapid assessment is crucial. We use drone-based AI to analyze floods.
Entire villages vanish in minutes, roads collapse, lives are disrupted. But after the disaster, how do we measure the damage quickly and accurately? Traditional damage assessment is slow, dangerous, and often incomplete. Field teams struggle to reach remote areas, risking their own lives. Nepal faces increasing challenges from floods and landslides. Drone-based surveying and AI are powerful tools for rapid.
In the fragile mountains of Nepal, where floods and landslides strike without warning, every second matters.
In disaster-prone regions like Melamchi and Sindupal Chowk, this technology can transform how Nepal responds to crises. What if we could assess disaster damage faster, safer, and smarter? This is where drones and artificial intelligence change everything. Drones capture high-resolution aerial images, mapping every detail of the affected area within minutes.
Within hours, not days, authorities receive accurate loss assessments, enabling faster response, better planning, and saving lives.
A future where every disaster is mapped instantly, every risk is predicted, and every life has a better chance. Drone-based AI is not just technology. It's a lifeline for a resilient Nepal.